Hello class 4, welcome to online science classes of HPS. In the last video we had seen chapter number 7 environment. Now in this video we are going to do the exercise. Okay children, come to page number 64. Okay, time to answer the fill in the blanks. First one, topsoil being washed away by wind or rain is called dash. It is called as soil erosion. erosion, spelling of erosion. Okay. Second one, smoke given out by vehicles causes dash pollution. It causes air pollution, AIR, air. Third one, harmful gases mixed with rain leads to acid rain, ACID, acid rain. Next, noise is defined as unwanted sound. Noise, NOISE, noise. Fifth, noise levels are measured in decibels. DECIBELS, decibels. Okay. Come to page number 65. We have to sort out the materials, it is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. See, the onion peels, fruit peels, newspaper and leftover food and the rotten leaves all are biodegradable. That get mixed with the soil. Okay, and non biodegradable कौन से हैं? प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स और सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक कैंस. Now on page number 67, time to answer true or false. We should plant less trees. Answer is false. We should plant more and more trees. Okay. We should not throw garbage and poisonous chemicals in water bodies. Yes, it is true. Next, we should reduce the use of plastic. True. Soil erosion can be prevented by planting more trees. Yes, true it is. Next, multiple choice questions. First one. Which of the following is a non-living component of the environment? Which is the non-living component? It is the light. All others are living. Trees, birds, human beings are living things. So, sorry, light. You have to take this option, D option, light. Next, smoke causes air pollution. Third one, which of the following is not an air pollutant? Answer is oxygen. All the gases are polluting the air. Next, air pollution affects lungs. Air pollution is affecting the lungs. Next, noise level is measured in decibels. You have to take the option decibels, B option. Next, fill in the blanks. Respiratory diseases and lung cancer may be caused by air pollution. Second, we should not blow horns in no horn zones such as those near hospitals and schools. Okay. Third one, we should not use plastic bags as they are non-biodegradable. BIODEGRADABLE, non-biodegradable. Next, name the following 2 pollutants which you would expect to find in factory smoke. They are carbon monoxide, CARBON, carbon, MONOXIDE, monoxide, and nitrous oxide, NITROUS OXIDE, oxide. Next, 2 pollutants which you would expect to find in water. Answer is plastic, 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 and industrial waste, INDUSTRIAL, industrial, WASTE, waste. Next, 2 chemicals that pollute the water bodies. They are pesticides and poisonous chemicals. PESTICIDES, pesticides, and POISONOUS, poisonous, CHEMICALS, chemicals. Okay. Next one, 2 sources of noise pollution. Loudspeakers, 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 and horns of vehicles. Next, last one, 2 soil pollutants, industrial waste and non-biodegradable fertilizers, FERTILISERS. Now, the question answers, short answer type questions. The first one, How are we dependent on our environment? Answer is, we are completely dependent on our environment because environment fulfills our basic needs like water, food, air, clothing, shelter. Full stop. We also obtain medicines, 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 paper, etc. from the environment. Okay. What do you understand by the term pollution? Answer is the process of making air, water and land dirty or contaminated, contaminated, contaminated is called pollution. The process of making air, water and land dirty or contaminated is called as pollution. Next one, what are the main causes of water pollution? Answer is, the main causes of water pollution are entry of industrial and domestic waste into water bodies, full stop, washing clothes and utensils, comma, bathing animals in ponds, lakes, etc. and disposal of puja materials in rivers are some causes of water pollution. Okay. Next, why should we not cut down trees? Answer is, we should not cut trees because trees control air pollution by purifying, purifying the air, full stop. Trees also prevent soil pollution. Okay. So we should not cut the trees. Now the long answer type questions. First one. What is environment? What is environment? First point. The answer is in points. We have to write the first point. Whatever we feel, feel it is, or see around us, comma, such as trees, animals, birds, roads, parks, light, water, houses, buildings, etc. all are separated with the commas. Are all our surroundings, surroundings, surroundings. The second point, all the living and non-living things around us make up our environment. Okay. Third point, the environment fulfills our basic needs like water, food, air, clothing, shelter, etc. Finished. The answer is over here. Next one. What is pollution? What are the different types of pollution? Give examples of pollutants that pollute air, water and soil. See the answer. The presence of harmful substances which make our environment dirty or contaminated is called pollution. The definition of pollution it is. Next, the different types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution. Okay. Then air pollutants are chemicals released from factories, factories. Water pollutants are pesticides from agricultural lands. Soil pollutants are disposal of garbage. Next, how is air polluted by nature and human beings? Answer is again in points. First one, air is naturally polluted by volcanic, volcanic eruptions, eruptions and forest fires, full stop. Second, air is polluted by chemical pollutants released from factories, power plants, vehicles like cars, buses, etc. The third point, air is polluted by domestic cooking and burning of fuels. Next, what are the harmful effects of air pollution on human health? Answer, first point, air pollution can cause cancer, trouble in breathing, that is asthma, asthma, lung, brain and nerve damage, burning sensation in eyes, etc. Next point, some of the pollutants are so harmful that they can cause death. The last one, what are the various ways of preventing pollution of air and water? First, ways to control air pollution. In that subpoints, we should plant more trees. Second one, factories and industries should be shifted to remote areas. Third option, waste should not be disposed of by burning. Now, ways to control water pollution. Second one, first subpoint is we should not throw garbage, G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage, and poisonous, P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S, poisonous chemicals in water bodies. Second is traditional natural fertilizers like animal dung and compost should be preferred, P-R-E-F-E-R-R-E-D, preferred over chemical fertilizers. Next point, we should reduce the use of plastics, P-L-A-S-T-I-C-S, plastics. Okay, this was all for now, children. The next work we will do in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.